Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand what is goal seek in Microsoft Excel. Goal seek is a feature in Microsoft Excel that allows users to find the input value needed to achieve a desired result. It's particularly useful when you have a target value in a formula and want to determine the input required to reach that value. So, let's see how we can use goal seek in Excel. In this data, in first row, we are having the price of the commodity. In second, quantity. When we multiply these two, we'll get the total revenue. Then there is a transportation cost, item cost, total cost. The summation of these three is deducted from the total revenue and we will get the profit. The profit is 1760 based on the quantity 200. Now we want to find out that if you want to have a profit of 2500, what should be the quantity sold? So how we can achieve this? Make sure you are in data, what if analysis, goal seek. Set the value. Set the value of what? The targeted is profit. To the value. We want the profit of 2500 by changing what? So by changing the quantity. Click OK and you can see if we sell 284 quantities, we will be able to achieve the profit of 2500. So this is how goal seek works in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.